Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a huge tutorial for you guys, something I never do. I decided to do for this video here. Here's my good friend Tina. She works at Cosmoprof. We hit it off 2 years ago when I first started hair school, and we've been good friends ever since. Today I decided to throw 5N 5G with 10 volume for a more get in there formula so it'll hold a little bit better. And we are going throughout her hair and doing bigger subsectioned, bigger stitched lowlights. I know this is something you've never seen me do really, and I'm not a big fan of it, but this is what she wanted. So a quick backstory, about 3 days before today, we ended up doing a foil conversion. Now, mind you, she's been with her hairstylist for many upon many years. So she never trusted anybody else, and then there was some schedule conflicts where she couldn't get in with her, and she decided to hit me up, which is a very big compliment because she doesn't let anybody touch her hair. She doesn't trust anybody. So I was ready for the job. She came in, we did a partial teasy light. She does not do toner. She didn't do a root toner. She didn't do a tap, a smudge, all over toner, nothing. Just straight bleach and great foil work. And then she decided she wanted to do a huge transformation. So she called me up. She showed me an inspiration picture and it was scary. No two ways about it. It was literally like dark stripy chunks throughout the entire head at a level 5 on white blonde hair. So what I did, being the hairdresser that I am, I don't do chunky highlights. I went in and I did a foil conversion. We basically did one highlight to one low light, and we used a level 7 low light. We ended up tapping her at the base just to bring everything together. She liked it, but I could tell it wasn't what she really wanted. So we compromised, we came up with another plan, and I brought her in today to do an all over regular stitched low light with bigger subsections so we can add some chunk into that hair without being too chunky and more blended. So I'm basically doing a bigger stitch. My regular stitch that I'm doing here today is a lot of people's, baby light, because my baby lights are so small. So this is still not over the top chunky, but it came out beautiful. So now as you look on, you can see I'm doing some face framing, but I'm using not lightener, because our hair was freshly just bleached 2 or 3 days ago. I'm using conditioner, NutriCare Restructuring Line by Fanola, and I'm actually doing around the whole entire face frame in conditioner. Not only is this going to protect our money pieces, but it's also going to help protect the hair when we wash out this dark low light. And just to note, I am doing baby slices around the entire hairline.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay.
guys, now that we did a full low light and it's a level 5, I want to dampen her hair down. Oh, I like this Mr. bottle for sure. And I'm going to dampen her hair down everywhere. This rat's nest. I'm kidding. And I'm going to take a restructuring line by Finola and apply it all over her ends like I did around the face frame. Because when we rinse this out, you want to have protection because you don't want this hair to suck up that level 5 because then we'll be in trouble. Shit's creek without a paddle. So just, it doesn't have to be tons, just running on through there. And she only needs to process, this is the best part about all Lowlights, is the 20 minutes, that's it. With Shades EQ. It doesn't have to be anything specifically done in a certain way, just throw it on there because your hair is porous when it's blonde, like a dry sponge. So this is like filling that dry sponge up, and when it's filled, it won't suck up anything anymore. That's exactly why I did it for the money pieces, and plus I like to do it so we still, as if there was lightener in there, it would have the foils. So I know, okay, this is the money piece. We're gonna let her process, and we'll show you the results when we're done, when we get to the bowl area, and it's time to rinse this out. I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna root tap her. I might tap her with just like a level 7, like her natural base, just so that it doesn't look super, super scary and harsh where this dark low light begins. But nothing like a dark shadow, just something very light, just to merge everything together. All right, guys, we'll be right back. So as I mentioned before, earlier in the video, she does not do toner, she doesn't do all over toner, she doesn't do root toner, tap, shadow, smudge, nothing. She always just leaves her hair just like it is because she's a natural level 7, it pulls beautifully. However, I did convince her to let me, like I did a couple of days ago, use the 7N, 7NA just to merge where the beginning is of the low light, highlight, and the other colors from the other day, just to bring everything all together because no matter what you do, if you don't tone the root at all, you're always going to have that beginning of where the foil begins, whether it's a low light or highlight. For her all-over gloss, I asked her if we can bring the pH down by using a crystal clear Redken Shades EQ 000, and we did. This added shine and made the hair healthier. I love toning, and if you're not going to need to tone with a color, always use crystal clear. As you can see, even the money pieces, I am slightly tappity tap tap tap. That's it. That will merge everything together. When it comes to money pieces, I'm going to do a specific video just on money pieces from start to finish. I get a lot of questions about it. There's so many ways you can do things. With this, I'm actually tapping it just to merge everything together. If she was a white blonde, I could actually leave it out and not tap it at all. So I'm going to have a video coming soon. Let me know down below if you guys want to see that.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. 'Cause first wind will take me. Every day I feel time.
Alright guys, this is the end result. Let me know what you guys think. She's still pretty blonde, but a lot of dimension. We just cut her 1.5 inches, touched up her face frame, and this is a new gal for the fall time. It definitely looks like a fall color, doesn't it, you guys? Let me know down below in the comment section. Kept her blonde around her face by doing that conditioner, and then shadowed her, tapped her. It all came together beautifully, and her hair feels better now than it has like before when we first came in. But look at that, look at all that dimension. So she showed me a picture that was very chunky, like bigger stitches, and we came to a middle medium. I don't like to do it too chunky, but this is perfect. She loves it. It's blended. It's more dimensional. I did a traditional low light, and she has 3 tones. The blonde, the low light from the other day, which is a 7, and then the 5 today. And then her roots half was a 7N, 7NA. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. And her hair feels immaculate, and look how shiny it is. We did tone her, but with just a clear Redken Shades EQ000, and we are obsessed with it. So let me know down below what you think, and I'll show you guys real quick in the ring light. Almost forgot this thing was here. Yeah, beautiful. Very beautiful, guys. Let me know down below what you think. Wow, look at that. Amazing. All right, guys, as always, so long for now.